Okay, hi everyone, it's Dr. James Whillans here from LifeWorks Family Chiropractic. This month we are featuring Barb as our patient of the month. She's had some awesome improvements with her health. I'm so thrilled. We were just talking about all the improvements and I was so thrilled. I thought, we got to get this on video. We got to get a recording of this, right? So how long have you been under care here approximately, Barb?
I think it's been roughly about 5 months, going on 5 months now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell us a bit about your health before chiropractic.
It was horrible. Massive migraines, nerve damage. I've had, a lot of damage with my nerve. I couldn't pick up stuff. I couldn't hold things. I would have to take 2 or 3 naps throughout a day. I couldn't sustain a full work day, let alone a full work week.
Mm-hmm.
So.
And tell us a bit about the improvements you've had over the last 5 months.
Amazing. I've been able to take the next step in my career and actually take a bigger position. I can function throughout the day, throughout the week, taking on bigger roles, and I have no more migraines. I can move, I can function, I can stand tall. I have confidence and strength that I can keep on continuing on with my day, with my week, with my month. It's amazing.
Awesome.
Yeah, I can breathe again, which is amazing, because that was another huge thing, was my respiratory on top of everything.
What about your digestion? One of the main things you came in, you don't have to go through all the details, but when you came in, it's okay if we say you were going to the hospital because of your digestion.
Yeah.
And we did our first few adjustments. This is going back 5 months.
Yeah.
What's your digestion like before now compared to before chiropractic?
Amazing.
Totally.
A smile on my face.
So digestion, massive improvement. How long has that been an issue? How many years has digestion been an issue?
Gosh, it's been at least, what is it, 8 years.
And totally better now.
Totally better. I'm not in the hospital.
Not in the hospital.
I'm able to.
So digestion, breathing, talked about the headaches, talked about your body. Yeah. And then here's a list. I don't know if everyone can see this. This is a list of the improvements. We're not going to go through these line by line, 70, 85. There's about 20 things here that are all better from chiropractic care, from coordination to mental state, concentration, breathing, immunity, hormone balance. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. Yeah. So here's the question. How is it possible that coming to the chiropractor can help with all these things that you've had help with?
How is it possible?
How people are wondering, how is it possible a chiropractor can help with all these things?
How? Well, it's an endless ability.
Let me ask you this. Did I do any of the healing? Did I fix any of these things?
Nope, my body did.
Aha, your body did. So your body's supposed to heal, but it hasn't been because of nerve interference. So we found when Barb came in, we found significant interference in her nerves in her upper neck, where the nerves go to her head, her lower neck where the nerves go to her lungs, and her lower back where the nerves go to her bowels. That those nerves were so interfered with for so long that her body was shutting down and shutting down and shutting down. And what we've been doing is freeing the nerves, and her body's coming back to life, healing itself the way it's meant to.
Yeah.
Isn't that awesome?
It's amazing.
We're so excited for you.
Thank you.
Okay, you're very welcome.
Thank you again.
You're very welcome.
Yes.